the dark color, we're gonna go with some muted, maybe like in fall. So we'll go fall.
You have a very good talent for painting.
Thank you. We're only getting 1 minute, so
I know.
I'm trying to move as fast as I can here.
20 seconds, my friend.
20 seconds. You know what you can do in 20 seconds? Is try to make this really work out in 20 seconds. And I'm counting. So.
Take this one out. I'm gonna jump the gun. You're gonna put that in there, but I'm stealing your little plate.
Alright.
Beautiful. Again, this needs a little green, this plant, because in the fall, lights change, right?
Yes.
Leaves change. You touch this up a bit.
Alright, we're 30 seconds in.
Now we're gonna have some real berries here, okay?
Alright.
Maybe some cranberry.
10 seconds.
10 seconds is good. Get a smaller one.
3 seconds. Alright. And we'll add to these areas continuation
Okay.
of our leaf.
When you're doing your art, do you typically plan it out prior to, or do you kind of just go with what you're feeling?
I usually do page style. My clients come in and say, can you freestyle something? I've learned over the years that I don't do freestyle. I only do page style. So there's no freestyle in my salon, only page style.
I wish I had a drum for you right now to go boom.
This will highlight these areas for you.
7 seconds.
7 seconds, perfect.
So our first layer that we had laid down was not tacky, so I originally thought I was going to just put that into the base color, but different idea.
20 seconds.
What's nice about working when you have the difference, though, is we can push this on here.
I like that. I like that. It's becoming metallic-y, antique-y like looking.
Exactly. And because this base color is already cured and cleaned, it's not going to stick to any of that.
It looks great. Looks very, very antique and dark.
This. All right. And again, no curing on this one.
I'm gonna stop this one.
Yeah. 1 minute.
So when you're working with your lines, it's really, really easy if you just use gentle pressure. So you just press and just let it release out. The product is like when you load your brush, it's just like loading a gas tank. If you press on the pedal really hard, your car's gonna jerk.
Right.
So it's the same thing when you load your brush. Your brush is your gas tank, and when you press on the pedal, you're pressing on the bristle. So when you press on the bristle really, really light, you're only releasing just a little bit. But the more you press, the heavier it's gonna be as far as paint wise. So that would be one of my tips that I would like to share since we're doing this collaboration. Yeah. And there you have it.
I'm gonna throw some top coat on this one too.
I love that nail. That nail looks beautiful.
The way that
great job, Vanessa. Great job.
The way that the gold and well, I think that we kind of nailed it then with that.
Because I am tan the man, and I put the man back in manicure. Beautiful work.
Tan, this was
I thought it was amazing, amazing collaboration. They gave us a challenge. We came, then we delivered.